welcome back to our vegan dining room office.
Yeah.
Yay!
All right, guys. This is a little bit different type of video today. We are stuck at home under quarantine, social distancing. We live together, so we can sit closer than 6 feet apart.
Is that the rule?
I think that's what the deal is.
Okay. Well, anyway, we were lucky enough to get a package of goodies from Cecilia at Foods Alive, and this video is not sponsored by Foods Alive. They didn't even ask us to review these products, but
we just want to show you
what's out there.
Yeah, what it's like. This is a website that has raw foods, vegan foods, health foods, gluten-free foods, organic. You're able to buy these in wholesale quantities at wholesale prices if that's something that you're interested in. Cecilia, like Maddie said, was nice enough to send this to us.
Thank you, Cecilia.
Thank you so much, and thank you for watching our channel and all of the kind things that you said about our channel. We really appreciate it because we do try and put a lot of ourselves into veganist work, and it's nice to...
I'm glad you guys enjoy it.
Yeah, that you guys are enjoying it. So we'll leave a link in the info box below if you're interested to check out the website with all of the products. But why don't we just go through the products that we got sent, which are all vegan, I believe, except for the
lip balms.
The little lip
have
balms.
beeswax, but it is what was I gonna say? Certified organic ingredient. So yeah. This isn't, like, technically vegan, but I'm not going to, like, throw it out. Duh.
Yeah.
I'm going to use it. So, thank you.
Or Daddy might want to use one of those as well.
Yeah.
Daddy Mark, my
Definitely.
husband. Okay. In case you guys didn't know, we're mother-daughter. I'm Janet.
Welcome.
She's Maddie. Thank you for clicking on our video and watching it today. We do appreciate you.
Yeah.
Subscribe for more if you'd like, and if you do like the video, give us a thumbs up. It really helps us out on YouTube, get noticed, and lets us know if you like this type of content. All right, so let's start off with a taste test. This one I can't eat, but you can eat. It's a chocolate macaroon.
Ooh.
I'm allergic to tree nuts, so
Power snackers.
I can't eat that one, but I can eat the Globe Trekker.
Nice.
I can open this one while you're opening that one. This one has jungle peanuts in it.
And we had to Google that to see what it is. And it's like
I've
these
never heard
special
of jungle peanuts.
peanuts from the Amazon, which is pretty neat.
Oh, wow. This looks lovely.
Ooh.
I don't know if you could see this or not, but it's like a little trail mix.
Well, this is the chocolate macaroon. It comes in like these little pieces. That smells amazing.
I'm assuming these are the jungle peanuts, the ones that are like coated. Oh, we're not. There we go.
Okay, this is delicious.
Is it?
It's like a granola bark type thing. So good.
That wasn't the jungle peanuts, by the way.
No?
No. It's delicious, though. I'm not quite sure what it is.
I know I'm not supposed to be making a meal out of this right now, but I need a little more.
That might be the white mulberries.
Okay.
This might be the jungle peanut. Yeah. Ooh, and there's goji berries.
Wait, so what is this?
This one is Globe Trekker
Trail Mix.
It's really, really tasty. Try that. The white goji berries remind me of dates.
There's squishy stuff
Not
in there.
dates. Figs.
That's
Delicious.
good. Very good.
I could definitely pull up an episode of RuPaul's Drag Race and have a little snack on this. That's nice.
These jungle peanuts are interesting.
They don't taste like peanuts at all.
No, but they're good.
Yeah. They taste like sophisticated.
They're like
Peanuts,
I'm
like-
thinking of a certain taste, but I can't like put my finger on it.
They don't have a peanutty flavor.
No, this is delicious.
This is really good. I'll take your word for this one.
Yeah, that chocolate macaroon. Mwah. Beautiful.
All right. This one also just for you because it's got almonds and
the lemon chia crunch power snackers. So I'm thinking this is also like a bark type thing.
And I'm gonna open the Italian Zest flax crackers. Let me just make sure there's no nuts in here. It's flaxseed, tomato powder, minced onion. This sounds delicious. They're very clean ingredients as well.
Citrusy. Take a whiff.
Mmm.
Yeah, so again, this is the lemon chia crunch. Let's see. Oh my god!
Is it good?
That lemon flavor. Dad is gonna love this, especially with the lemon. Oh,
Yeah.
that's such a nice taste.
Dad loves lemon.
That is delicious.
All right, look at these. Yeah, there you go. Look at that. That is so sexy to me. I love seeing like whole foods in there. So like those, I guess is it the sesame seeds? No, it's gold flax seeds. You're gonna love that. You're gonna love that.
Dang, I shouldn't have had a snack before.
I know, right?
Ooh!
Right?
Hello, Italian zest. That is really good.
good.
Oh my god, you can even crumble that up and put it on a salad.
Perfect.
That is so delicious. Oh my god.
We'll try this one too, because this I think is like the same thing, but with like Mexican
This is the
flavoring.
Mexican harvest. Oh my god.
That is
food's
really
alive.
good. They don't put like a little resealable thing on here because they know
Probably
you're going to
just
eat it
all.
in like 2 seconds.
Yeah, we're gonna have to seal all these back up
I
somehow.
know. Or put them on our salad today.
Yeah. Oh my god! I just want to eat everything.
Oh, you want some too?
That is delicious.
It is really
That's
good.
like a taco.
Yeah.
That's a taco in a little cracker.
All right, I can't stop at one.
That's straight up a taco and a cracker.
Mm-hmm.
This is some Willy Wonka magic right here. Wow. Okay.
Coconut curry.
Ooh, coconut curry power crackers.
Our dog is like, why aren't you sharing?
I know. All right.
I had to give the dogs a treat because they were just like, hey, why aren't you
They're
sharing?
getting a little crazy.
Yeah.
But here is the coconut curry.
Let's see what this is all about. Ooh, yes.
Hold on, I need a bigger little, big but little piece.
This might be
Oh
my
my
favorite.
God, that was so
this might be
good.
my favorite out of the flax crackers.
I can't even pick a favorite. You know there's nuts in here, right?
No.
Walnuts.
Oh,
But hopefully you'll be okay.
guess that's all I'm having. That's not my favorite.
That's delicious. I'm sorry, but that's really
It's
good.
really good. I don't know if it's the walnuts that make it so good or the curry seasoning.
I think the curry seasoning.
I'm a curry girl. My dad always made curries, so.
That is a nice curry.
Ooh, we got some hemp seeds. Nice.
Excellent.
We also have some maca. I usually, I was usually putting this in my smoothies when I was having smoothies for breakfast every morning. Probably will over the summer.
Oh yeah, once it gets warm again, we're going crazy on the smoothies.
Nooch. Every vegan knows what nooch is.
I love nooch.
This is mine. Where's everyone else's? This is if you guys watch our recipe videos, we have vats of nooch. But for regular vegans, this is perfect.
We're gonna have to try that out in some of our upcoming
Tonight.
meals. Oh,
Tonight.
that's right. We're gonna be making a recipe video later, and it should be the video after this one. I'm guessing.
It's for broccoli rice bake. Cheesy.
It's like a cheesy broccoli rice casserole.
Healthy.
Cheesy, yeah.
Healthy, but doesn't taste healthy. Just a lot like this. Healthy food that doesn't taste like it's health food.
Yeah.
Tastes delicious. We got a glass straw. Thank you very much.
Love it.
I love drinking from a glass. The thing that I don't like about our straws that we have, the metal ones, I don't like the metal, to drink from the metal.
Oh.
I would prefer, I think, to drink from glass. So I'm going to give that a
and
try.
I think that comes with a little cleaner too, right?
Yes.
Excellent.
Got some pens.
Woo!
We love pens because we go through so many pens in a week.
Yes.
Because of all the notes and stuff that we take.
I already told you guys we got the lip balm. This is organic herbal mints.
Ooh, this is the first time that I've ever seen chia oil.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. So I think you can cook with
Let's
this.
give it a sniff.
Or you could make a salad dressing, I'm thinking.
Let's see what we got here.
It doesn't really smell like anything.
Yeah, that one's not like
That's
super
good
potent.
because then maybe you could even use that for baking.
Yeah,
And
because
it
you don't want
wouldn't-
like a strong flavor
Yeah,
for baking.
and when it's cold pressed. The great thing about this is that it has the omegas in it, and that's what you need. It's hard to get enough omegas unless you're trying when you're vegan. So.
What's this little tap dance, boy?
Oh wow, we have some creamy Italian superfood dressing made with the chia oil and flax oil.
That sounds delicious.
It does. Oh my god, wait till you see these. You want to lick that?
All right.
Ooh, that smells amazing.
Oh, damn.
Right?
Yeah, it tastes really good too.
I know what I'm having on my salad today.
That is yummy.
That is nice. And we have some black seed oil. I haven't heard of this, but I think somebody said this was a really good immune boost.
Uh-huh.
Wow. Also with the omegas, and this one, artisan cold pressed. Sorry, the dogs are just like...
They're going crazy. They're going stir
Yeah.
crazy too.
So the last liquid we have here is garlic paprika vinaigrette. So I'm assuming not oil in here. So if you're interested in the no oil lifestyle.
This is gold flax oil.
Oh, okay. So we got some gold flax oil in here. By the way, guys, whenever I use flax as an egg replacer, I always use the golden flax because I don't want to look like it's got rat poop in my baking. So that one doesn't really leave much of a...
The garlic paprika? Is that
Garlic
what it is?
paprika. Ooh, that smells good.
Ooh, I really, really like that.
That smells good.
There's garlic in it.
Mm-hmm.
There.
Mm-hmm.
That's delicious.
Oh, yeah. It's even got Himalayan pink sea salt in there as well.
I feel like I've
smells
just
really
said
good.
like everything is delicious, but it really
It
is.
really is.
So
It really is. I'm very excited to try out those salad dressings because we live for the salads.
I think, okay, so the barks were all amazing. Love them. But I'm like, I feel like the most impressed by the little crackers.
Yeah.
Because it seriously tastes like an Italian, Mexican, or Indian meal in a cracker. It's so crazy.
It's perfect for hummus, I would think.
It would be, yeah. It would be really good.
I just have to have another couple of these because...
The glow checker.
Yeah.
Really, really good.
The combination of flavors is just really, really nice.
Mm-hmm.
You gotta love those.
This little squishy.
Yeah.
Yep.
Oh my god, my husband's gonna try and steal these away from me when he gets home from work
he can
today.
have some.
No, they're for us.
All right. Well, we want to send out a big thank you again to Cecilia at Foods Alive. This is all amazing, and we're going to be enjoying this.
It's like a treasure trove.
Mm-hmm.
It's like Christmas in March.
Yeah. This was awesome.
Thank you so much again for sending it. Anybody who's interested, there's a link in the bottom, in the info box.
Yep.
Next video, probably going up in a day or two. Broccoli, rice, bake. Cheesy with the nooch.
I hope it turns out good because I've been dreaming about this for a while.
Oh, it will.
This is actually a recipe that I kind of like put together, which is exciting.
You said, hey, Mom, why don't you make a broccoli rice bake? And I said, okay. And that's the extent of putting together the recipe.
That's not true.
Did you say what to put in it?
I was like, put broccoli, the cheese sauce, and rice, and we'll bake it.
Okay. All right. Fair enough.
Yeah.
All right. So it's going to happen. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss when we put that one up, and hit the little notifications bell and you'll be the first one to know that it went up. So thanks again for watching. Check out foodsalive.com, and until next time, much love.